Hey guys, so I've been hearing about this rain dance wine, South African made. So so okay, we're going about Tomasi. She went and bought it. So we'll be trying it for the first time. I took I don't know what flavor this is, but it's the purple one. Contains 13.5% of alcohol. I'm glad in Senjini and gives a So guys, let's have wine dance together and see how good it. Just can't wait. I know but it's fine. Sizobona ukuthi siba njani. So I had a glass of rain dance about 20 minutes ago. I'm going to have another. Okay, it was half glass. It was half this glass. I don't know how big this glass is, but it's really big. But I had half of it, and guys, it's working already. It's working already, and I'm gonna have another half of this glass. It's not really half. I think it's 3/4. But yeah, ciao. Let's wait and see how at the end it'll be. Guys, like the windows are open. Go tanjaibo. It's so hot. Now that rain dance in, it has 13.5. What time is it now? It's 3:30, and I took my first class at 3 o'clock. So it's been 30 minutes, and I'm halfway through the second half class, right? So I had the first half class, and now it's the second half class, and I'm halfway through it. Guys, it's working. I'm just glad I'm having this in the comfort of my own home. Imagine if I were to be outside in front of other people. Oh gosh. This thing's sad. Oh god. Oh gosh. That's too much for me. I'd rather stick to my trusty off because this. Oh no. Rain dance? No. Okay, guys. I'm so dead. Like, oh.
If you're not ready to be so drunk, please don't buy rain dance. Just don't buy rain dance. Unless if you really want to get as drunk as I am, as fucked up as I am,
you should go for it. But if you're not, just cause wow. Honestly, it just feels like I'm high, because I don't get to get that. No. Oh gosh. I was supposed to start a meeting right now, 27 minutes ago, but I don't know. I just don't know. And that was the end of today's episode. Hope you're enjoying and you enjoyed.